Here comes unboxing the Honor X5 Plus. It comes up with 5200 mAh battery, 50 megapixel dual rear camera with 5 megapixel front camera. It has also the 4GB RAM with up to 64GB internal storage. It uses a processor mediatek G36 and software Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13. It's the first in its price range to have 90Hz refresh rate. Here now unboxing the Honor X6a. It comes up with 5200 mAh battery with 50 megapixel triple rear camera, 5MP front camera. It has also a 4GB RAM, but unlike with X5 Plus, this one has a larger internal memory up to 128GB storage. It has same processor mediatek G36 with software version of Magic OS 7.1 based on Android 13. Same with the X5 Plus, it comes up with 90Hz refresh rate and bigger screen 6.56 inches. And thank you so much guys for watching my videos, and if you want more, please don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more updates sa mga coolmates. See you in my next video.